Okay, so today we're going to create some painted paper that we're going to cut out into flowers so that we can make our Frida Kahlo inspired self-portraits look more like a Frida Kahlo painting. We are taking that portrait called Frame that has a frame of flowers around it as our inspiration. So I'm going to use my bigger paintbrush for this, and I'm going to dip it in my water and wipe it off on the edges. And then I'm going to come over and I'm going to stick with the colorful colors. I'm not going to use any brown, I'm not going to use any black, and that's because I want my flowers to be really bright and colorful. And I'm going to pet my paintbrush on my watercolor paint until I feel like it's nice and loaded up with color. I might dip it in a little bit more water if I need to get more water. And then I'm just gonna paint. And I don't have to paint anything in particular. In fact, it's better if you don't, because we're gonna cut flowers out of these later. I'm just gonna paint. And then I'm gonna change my colors. And I'm gonna get more color. And I'm gonna paint more. And do you see how I'm mixing my colors together? That is totally something that's okay right now. My iPad stand does not like my new iPad. It's a little too big. So yeah, you can see that I am painting, and I can overlap colors if I want to, and I am just gonna paint this entire page and fill it up with all kinds of beautiful colors that I can later cut out flowers. So I'm gonna keep going with this. Put it in your folder. Put it in your folder. There you go. All right, so you can see I've painted my whole page, and I'm gonna wait for it to dry so that I can start cutting flowers out.